Hello little kids, today we are painting cat. Dark green color, red color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, light pink color.